Hello children. Yeah. Till now we have finished our 2 chapters. Now we are going to learn a new topic about animals, what they eat, how they search the food. If you see children, you might have your pet. What does it eat? Is their food style means your pet food habits and our food habits are nearly same? Means it may eat different food and style is different. The way of eating also different from us. But we are also having our food and it is also having its food. Not only your pet, the organisms which are present, that are plants, animals, are depending on food. Some are preparing. That's the plants, they prepare. But most of the animals prepare, we are depending on other organisms for their food. It may be plants or animals. The plants, they are preparing their food materials. They are not depending on any other organisms. They are mobile. They will stay in one place. They cannot move here and there. That's why they are preparing their own food materials where they are. But the animals, human beings, birds, they are moving from one place to another place. They are not preparing their food materials. They are depending on other organisms like plants and animals for their food. You may get one doubt. Human beings are preparing their food now, ma'am. They are not depending. Means we are depending. We are getting the food. It may be mutton or chicken from the animals, even fish and vegetables, fruits, leafy vegetables from the plants. We are not preparing them now. We are getting it and we are making it tasty by adding different spices, oils, condiments to make our food tasty. And milk, eggs, these are also getting from animals. So we are depending on other animals and plants for our food. So different animals having different way of searching their food, sensing their food and eating also different. If you observe the cat, the dog, how it will recognize its food. If it smells some food, if it smells, it can easily recognize the flesh like mutton or chicken by sniffing. It can easily sniff the smell and eat it. You can see on the roads also how they will move by sniffing only. They will sniff in the ground. Any food item is there. So it can catch it and it can eat it. Even you can see it can also hunt cat. It can by smelling also. The cat also. It can easily identify the rat by the sniffing. By the process of sniffing. So it is the way of searching the food by the cat. You can see how it will smell the milk by sniffing and it will suck. It will easily recognize. It will suck the milk. So if you see based on the food, the animals are having different types of food styles, way of identifying the food, and different organisms depend on different organisms for their food. If you see taking in food, how the organisms take, they are having their food by different processes. If you see the birds by the vision, but the bat by hearing, dogs and cats by sniffing, goat, cow by smelling, mind by the vision. Both are coordinating, both are also used, both the senses are used to recognize their food. If you see, depending upon the intake of food, the organisms which are present on the earth are divided into three groups. In that one, the first one is the herbivores, second one is the carnivores, and the third one is the omnivores. You have learnt already about this. Once again, we will recap. Herbivores are the organisms which depends on plants for their food. Example for herbivores are cow, goat, sheep, buffalo, etc. There are many organisms which are depending on plants. Next, the second one is the carnivores. Carnivorous animals. These organisms means organisms which depends on other organisms like animals for flesh are called herbivores. Example for that are cow, lion, tiger, etc. Next, the third one is omnivores. These, the organisms which depends on both plants and animals are called omnivorous. Means they will take both plants as their food and also animals as the food. Example for that is we are nothing but that are human beings. Some people may say we want to eat non-veg, but they are not directly depending, indirectly depending for milk. It is also coming from animals only. So we are depending on both plants and animals for our food. Next one, from finding food to eating it. Means from finding, when the cow or goat, dog or cat, when it observes its food by the vision or by sniffing, by smelling on different ways, it will recognize, and what it will do? It will move to that place. It will track down, it will collect, it will hunt it. If it is an animal, it will hunt it. You can see the dog, how it will go to hunt the cat, to catch that cat, and it will eat that. So, depending upon the food item, what they are eating, the style of food, they are depending. They have different types. In that, the first one is tracking down the food. Tracking down means recognizing. How it will recognize the food. Just before I said the dog by means of sniffing, cow, goat by the process of smelling, bat, human beings by the vision, and we human beings by the smell and vision. Both are coordinated. Next, if you see the bat by hearing, it will not have the sense to see, but it will hear the sound. You know that echolocation. It will by the sounds only it will recognize. If you see the vulture, crow, it will recognize the food by the vision. They will move in the air, and when the food is observed, they will come close to that food item, and they will suck it. They pierce the food and eat it. So these are the different ways of searching food. After searching, how it will eat, how it will collect that food. We can see in the next chapter. Children, now I am giving one work. Here, make 3 columns. In the first column, try to write about the animals here, different animals. In the second, the whatever the food they are eating. It may be plants, animals, seeds, leaves, whatever it may be. Try to mention in the second one. Here mention it is serial number. Here animals. Here food item, what they are eating. And what is the type they are recognizing the food. That is recognition of food by the process of sniffing or smelling or the vision. Mention it in the third column. Okay? Children, write your notes as point wise. We will continue our next class. Thank you. See you, children.